Eats.
Dude, you know what we should do? It would be like this and just shoot a fucking
See, oh, you've been on this before, right?
No, I've never been. Never seen it. Heard about it.
This is
Malibu. This is great. Dude, that thing looks sick.
On top with like all this chrome accent.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really special.
look how clean that is.
Yeah, you're looking at the real deal, dude. This is one of only 400 hulls ever made in this design.
Yeah.
It's only one, it's one of 11 that's known to be a true survivor.
The Kennedys
this
had.
is the real boat. This wood, this is all the original wood from 1950. So you can see how there's a bunch of separation here, like on the hull. And this, I soak this every year. I fill it. You fill the boat up with water on the inside.
Huh?
And it drips out, leaks out for days until it swells all this wood, and that becomes watertight, and that will hold the water. So this boat, you can't just drop this boat in the water and just go. You got to leave it for like multiple weeks with water dripping out of it to swell all this wood.
Right.
Because these are the original planks that are from 1950. Chris Craft had 2 different color options.
Yeah.
And one of them was like this Ferrari red. It's all been redone. This is Ferrari red. I don't know if you can see underneath. If you
Yeah,
want-
I see
If
it.
you want to
I
come over
see
here,
it.
you can come like look up in the side. Over here. But
Holy crap, smells really good.
that smells amazing.
It's quite a treat, buddy.
Yeah.
Kennedy's had one of these.
Yeah. Well, I guess who else has one? Me.
It's fucking awesome. They don't make them like this anymore.